Namaste students. Today we will start with the chapter 8 of your EVS book, and the name of the chapter is Clothes. Dear students, as you all know that clothes are our basic needs. We need clothes to cover our body. Now let's start the chapter. We will study more about clothes. We all need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protects us from heat, rain, cold and bites from insects. We should always wear clean clothes. We should always wear the clothes free from the germs. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. When the same weather remains for a long time, it is called a season. There are four seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and rainy seasons. And we wear the clothes according to the season. Now, summer season. In this, we will study that what type of clothes we wear in the summer season. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are made from fiber of cotton flower. Cotton fabric is very light. It allows air to pass through and absorb the sweat. It helps us to keep our body cool. We all know summer season is very hot season and we keeps on sweating in this summer season. We need the clothes which can absorb our sweat and keeps the body cool. So cotton fiber keeps the body cool as it absorbs the sweat present on our body. That's why we wear the cotton clothes in the summer season. Next, winter season. In this we will study that what type of clothes we wear in the winter season. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made with wool fiber and the wool fiber keeps the body warm. It is obtained from sheep or other animals with thick fur. Wool fiber is very thick and soft. It absorbs heat. It keeps our body warm. As winter season it is very cold and we need the clothes which keeps our body warm. That's why we wear woolen clothes in the winter season, as woolen clothes absorbs the woolen clothes or wool fiber, we can say, it absorbs the heat from outside and keeps our body warm. Next is the rainy season. In this we will study that what type of clothes we require in the rainy season. In rainy season we wear raincoats. Raincoats are made with plastic fiber. It is a man-made fiber using plastic. It doesn't allow water or air to pass through. It is a waterproof. It protects us from getting wet. Umbrella is also used when it rains. So, we wear raincoats in the rainy season to keep ourselves dry, and also we use the umbrellas in the rainy season. Did you know some clothes tells us about the kind of work a person does? Such clothes are called uniform. Likewise, daily we wear the casual clothes that doesn't have any specific information, but some clothes are fixed for some profession that are known as uniform, and through that uniform we can identify that what is the profession or what is the job of this person. For example, in my school, all the students wear same kind of uniform or same kind of clothes. All of these clothes look same. Such clothes are called school uniform. So, this was about your chapter clothes. In this chapter, we have studied that we wear different kind of clothes in different seasons as per the requirement, and we select the clothes as per the weather or the climatic conditions of a place. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.